everyone, this is Unit 14. New Ilgupshi Manavayo. Shaving meet on at 7 p.m. On fire trial is future tense, okay? 이 사람들은 무슨 약속이 있어요? Do these people have any boyfriend? 조이번은 오늘 약속이 있어요? Do you have any plans to date? 누구와 약속이 있어요? So, who do you have an appointment with? 나, 친구, 모임, 반모임. It's a friend. 친구 is friends, Nikki. 뒤정 모임, 위식. 위식 is worthless gathering. 약속하다 promise. 약속을 지키다. Keep one's promise. 약속 시간을 중하다. Make an appointment. 약속 점수를 중하다. Set a meeting date. Now, 약속 장소를 바꾸다. Changing the meeting place. 약속 시간을 늦다. Be it for an appointment. Now the first part of command is 알까요? 읽을까요? 커피 마실까요? 네, 좋아요. Would you like some coffee? Yes, I like it. When she 오늘 같이 저녁 먹을까요? Mr. Wen, shall we have a dinner together tonight? 네, 좋아요. That's good. 같이 먹어요. Let's eat together. 네, 며칠에 만날까요? What time should we meet tomorrow? 11시에 만나요. Let's meet at 11 o'clock. Rather words and phrase consonants visuals. 올까요? at birds answered 버벌 유주할까요? 먹다 먹을까요? 읽다 읽을까요? 가다 갈까요? 만나다 만날까요? 만들다 만들다 만들까요? You don't have to get the throw, stove, non-delcaif. Now, next is Iri manada. There's of many books. Yavinil hada. Work overtime, like overtime work. Huishegi ista, company tinas. Mommy, after that, I've been sick. Gajov Moemi is the family gathering. Gaduk is family. Huobi is the there's a theft. Now, next is Mud. Magic call do anything that is a negative sentence. They are using un by making a negative sentence. Un. But this is want. It's a plant. When you can't do anything, so we use want. I have already uploaded the difference between un and want. Okay? Now, Rahamanchi 어제 동산 갔어요. Did you go to hiking yesterday? 아니요, no. 이랬어요. I works. 그래서 못했어요. I was why couldn't come. Because there's a reason. So we use must. 내일 같이 영화를 보러 갈까요? Shall we go to see a movie together tomorrow? 미안해요. I'm sorry. 내일 같이 모임이 있어요. I have a family gathering tomorrow. 그래서 못 가요. I can't call. There's a reason. For what? Didn't she? 왜 밥을 안 먹어요? 이런 왜 you're not eating? There's a lot 봐요. My stomach hurt. 그래서 밥을 못 먹어요. So I can't eat. There's no condition for it. Consonants and vowels do you use month? When there's a reason that 못됐다. 가다 못가다. hada, onjon motfata. Sound like we use what before had the. Okay, here. Now, I'm going to come out vocabulary to listen carefully and practice. 먹을까요? 2. 문 만나요. 3. 문 먹어요. 2. 가위 듣고 얇대보세요. 1. 뭘 먹을까요? 비빔밥을 먹어요. 2. 몇 시에 만날까요? 미안해요. 오늘은 못 만나요. 3. 삼겹살을 먹으세요? 전 돼지고기를 못 먹어요. Now vocabulary. 모임, 직접 모임, 약속하다, 약속을 지키다, 약속 시간을 정하다, 약속 장소를 정하다, 약속 장소를 바꾸다, 약속 시간에 늦다, 일이 많아다, 야근을 하다, 회식이 있다, 몸이 아프다, 쓰다, 가족 모임이 있다, 싸움이 있다, 시험이 있다, 갑자기 일이 생기다, 회식을 하다, 답정하다. Sick. This is end of unit. See you next unit.